Do you need help with like what things did you not know how to do?
Specifically, let's see. Just in the beginning, it was talking about like how to, where is it? How to find, or how to see if they're unusual or not unusual.
Okay.
And I mean, like as far as
like the batting scores.
Yeah.
Okay, so on that, you look at the you know the reading that we had to do?
Yeah.
It talked about the batting scores on there, and it gave us the mean and the standard deviation.
Right.
And then you use those numbers that it gives you on the prep assignment, and you use that equation to find the z-score. And whatever that z-score is, if it's higher than 2 or lower than -2, then it's unusual.
Okay.
Sweet.
Hi.
Hi. Did that help a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to try the first one and then see if you get the right answer?
Okay. So take the Where does it say the mean and the?
It should be at the bottom of the reading.
At the bottom?
Well, not the bottom. You know how they have those graphs with all the lines on them? It's like right above that.
Right. So long. Batting average. It's still snowing. I can't find where it says.
Here, I'm logging onto it right now. Give me 1 second. Okay, it's a lesson 5 textbook. And you go down to past the probability applet, and it's the section 3.2.2.
We're on lesson 5.
Yeah, lesson.
Hello? Because we're gonna need you. There it is.
Did you find it?
Yeah, I found it.
Okay.
So let's do this.
And the first one should be unusual.
What's the first one?
Unusual
That's number 3.
on the prep assignment.
Okay.
Did you have any questions about the homework,
No,
Nicole?
no, I didn't.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, I got it. That was
Okay.
easy.
Sweet.
We're good. Okay, moving on.
All right. Do you guys want to take the quiz?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know where Alicia went, but here, I probably should text her. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. What questions is this?
Total area
Oh
under.
my goodness, it's 18 questions long.
Fun. Okay. Total area under normal.
So, everything has to be rounded to 3 decimal places. And we're going to need the probability output. Okay, the total area under a normal distribution is 100. Right?
I mean, I guess I was gonna type it into the little thing to make sure, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's gotta be like 100% for like a specific number.
Yeah, but it didn't give us any numbers. Total area under a normal distribution curve, which is the bell-shaped curve.
Total area under the curve equals 1. It says on here.
Oh, yep, right there.
So
So 1.
it is technically 100%. So
Yeah. All right. Under certain circumstances, a normal distribution curve can drop below the x-axis. No.
mm-mm.
A normal distribution curve is symmetric.
Yeah.
Is it always symmetric?
Yeah, because it's like a bell curve, you know?
Yeah.
Sides.
Okay, use the image to answer the following next 2 questions. Which of the following elements of the figure represents a z-score? That'd be C. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the z-score will be greater than 1? It's
I don't
B.
know. B is greater than 1. Makes sense.
Right?
Yeah, that makes
one's
sense.
right down
Because
that
the
one.
lines are at 1, right?
Yeah. So
Okay.
B.
Percentage of the data.
So if it was
Bell-shaped
less than
distribution.
1, it'd be A.
Yeah.
According to
According
the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, what percentage of data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within 1 standard deviation of the mean? So 68%,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, 1 standard deviation is 68. So just 68, not 0.68.
Do they want the percentage sign in there? Do you know?
No, I'm pretty sure they don't.
No.
Wow. Suppose that z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal probability applet to answer this question. What proportion of z-scores will be between 1 and 1?
Proportion?
Huh?
What proportion? Like what?
Yeah, so the answer is 0.683. No, I'll explain it right now. 0.683. Because on the probability applet, you put the negative one and the 1, and then you click on the middle part of the thing, and it highlights it blue. And then the probability will show up on the area part where it says.
Right.
Oh! Why? Yeah.
Okay. So number 10.
3.
Yeah. Suppose that z-scores comes. What proportion of z-scores will be between -2 and 2? -2 and 2. 0.955. 0.955. The next question is -3 and 3. And that's 99 points, actually 0.997. Okay, look carefully.
Wait, hold up.
What?
How'd you get the last one?
Putting
You're
in
supposed to use
-3
the-
and 3.
3 and 3.
Yeah, for the z-scores.
I thought it was -2 and 2.
That's for number 10. I'm on number 11.
Oh, all right.
Sorry.
That's okay. Wait, so did you say 0.955 was 10?
0.955, yes.
And then what was 11?
11 is 0.997.
That makes sense.
And if you look at 9, 10, and 11, it's just the 68, 95,
Yeah.
99.
Yeah, I noticed that. That's
Yeah.
funny. Okay, so 12.
Well, look carefully at the answers to less.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Okay. Use small information. Next questions.
Okay. Do you want to read this one?
The information or the question? Let's just read the question and then reference the information.
Okay. What proportion of
What proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.6 grams? 0.6 grams.
The amount of protein that an individual must consume is different from every person. The protein requirement is given in grams that must be consumed each day per kilogram.
Grams. What does this mean?
Okay, so this one.
What does this mean? I can't even understand what this is saying.
So 0.6 is your given value. So it's 0.6 minus 0.65, which is the mean. And you divide that by 0.07. And so your z-score is going to be negative 0.714. Negative 0.714.
Z-score is what you said?
Negative 0.714.
Okay, yeah, that's what I got.
And
Say it was-
then, hold on, give me one sec. I have someone at my door.
Cammy, did you say it was a negative 0.714?
Yeah,
And then 12 was what was it again?
12 was, where is it? Come on. Values match the 68, 95, 99.7 rule.
Alright, cool. Alrighty.
14.
Oh my god. Shut up.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry. All right, so what proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.6 grams? So,
I think you skipped one.
huh?
And then the next one is less than. Did you already do the more than one? Number 14?
I'm on 13.
13?
Yeah.
What in the world?
13 is,
Negative 0.714, right?
no, that's the z-score. It's asking for the proportion.
Oh my goodness. Then what is number 15 asking? Oh, less than 70. Okay.
So 13 is less than 60, and then 14 is more. So you look at your
Right.
proportion, and you click on the very left side and make it blue. And you should have an area of 0.237, right?
Hold on. Negative 0.714. Okay. So we're finding the area then?
Yes, the area is the same thing as
0.4.
proportion.
Okay, so 0.475.
I got 0.238.
Oh no. 0.238. You're just supposed to type in the z-score, right?
So here, we'll start from the beginning. So you go 60, actually 0.6 minus 0.65
Right?
divided by 0.07,
Huh.
and you get negative 0.714, and that's your z-score.
Right. And so you
So
just put the z-score
You
in,
put the z-score in,
right?
and then you click on the very left side,
Uh-huh.
and then you look at your area.
Oh, I see. So
And your
it's
area
more
should
than-
be 0.238.
And then so for the next one, you do the less than, so you switch them.
Yes. So you click that blue thing again so it's clear, and then you click on the
Uh-huh.
other side of that line.
Line or the first line?
So hold on.
There's the 2 lines. And
Yeah, you
then,
got 2 lines,
uh-huh.
and on the last one you shaded everything on this side, right?
Yeah.
So on this one you shade everything in the middle and on the right side.
Okay. If it will load.
And your area should be 0.762.
Okay. Seven, 6, 2. Okay. Okay, that randomly selected this
All right. Are we good with that one?
one. So 15 says 0.70 grams instead of 0.60 grams.
0.60. So what you do is 0.7 minus 0.65
Right.
divided
I
by
just-
0.07.
Making sure that we did that.
Yeah. And this time your z-score is on the right side. So this time you click the middle and then the last part,
Hold on.
which should be 0.762 as well.
You're really, really. Hey! Rude!
Okay.
Did you guys get that?
How was work?
I think so, but things aren't. Wait, you said
Doing okay?
0.762?
Yeah, it should be the same thing as the last question.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
Oh, you can see it? Barely.
All right, so number 16.
I'm excited for tomorrow.
Find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that is between 0.6 and 0.7 grams.
Between 0.6 and 0.7?
What's what?
Worst thing right there.
Flowers that I got? Babe?
How do you figure out between?
To find the area between 2 values
Name's Travis.
left of each is equal to calculate and then subtract.
His name is Travis.
area.
You're joking, right?
No.
Who is this Travis?
He is a total hottie. Oh my gosh, I'm so
Okay,
excited.
now I know you're lying.
Now we. Why? You don't think your sister can get a totally? Who is that?
Well,
Yeah.
all she's got so far is
All right.
Oh, sorry.
Becky. Well, I guess it's got this.
Okay, bye.
Sorry, I didn't mean
Oh,
that.
you're fine. Just wanted to see if she'd actually.
So how do you even go about
Should put a little bit
finding
there.
between?
So for this one, I think
they're
we
just
just find the
funny.
2 z-scores,
Here.
which
You want to
is
see our stuff list? Even though those are. They're like, no.
0.60 and points. Those have the same z-scores, didn't they? Just one's positive, one's negative.
Yeah, we're tonight.
I think
Yep.
they did.
Yeah.
Today I
I mean, I guess.
So if that's
I
the
mean,
case,
it
then the
does.
answer is 0.525.
Again?
0.525. Because what you do, so you find the z-score of 0.60, which is div 0.714, and then you find the z-score of 0.7, and that's 0.714. what you do is you just click the middle section between the two lines. Because it's actually
0.524
the probability
or
that
for
the randomly,
Did you round
randomly
it, though?
selected person will be between those two values.
do you round the? Did you get 5248?
Huh?
Did you get 0.5248?
It's point, yeah. So it should be rounded, it should be 0.525.
Okay, just checking. We're almost done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nicole, are you with us?
Yeah, I just had to grab my charger.
Okay. I'll just go real quick. We got 2 more questions, and they take a little while. Okay, so we're on 17. Find the 35th percentile for protein requirement for adults. So 35th percentile, so 0.35 you're going to put in the area box.
Yeah, I did that.
And then
Z-score is negative 0.454, positive 454.
yeah. Give me 1 sec.
35th percentile?
So 30.
Isn't that supposed to be?
0.35. I don't know what's going on with the probability applet.
So you're supposed to get the Z-scores, right? But then it's supposed to be the 35th percentile, which means the first 35% of the data, right?
So 35th. Yeah. I'm just trying to figure out. How exactly it's supposed to look.
Hold on, let me look again.
What is your probability applet looking like?
Pretty thin in the middle. It's it shows the hold on, pretty.
What's your Z-score?
Z-score. What in the world is happening? Z-score is negative 0.454 and positive 0.454. When you put in 0.35 for the area.
What was it? Sorry.
Negative 0.454 and positive 0.454.
Okay.
But isn't The 35th percentile is just supposed to be like, well, never mind, that makes sense. Sort of.
I got negative 0.8358. What the freak?
What?
Negative 0.385 and positive 0.385.
Hold on, let me try again. For the 30. Okay, so you're just supposed to have the, are you supposed to have the middle one highlighted? Or the first two?
That's what I'm wondering.
Well, the 35th percentile is the lowest 35% of the data. Like if it's test scores, it'd be like the lowest 35%. So I'm guessing it's I don't know. Wait, what is your z-score again?
It's negative
3.
0.385.
Okay, yeah.
Did you get that?
Yeah, if you have the first part highlighted, that's what you get
Yeah.
when you type in the area, but is it supposed to be that one?
Hold on, let me read about it real quick. I'm guessing it is because if you click the middle one too, it changes the whole thing.
Right.
And 50% would be down the middle of the line.
That would make sense. I mean, if it's
Point.
if it's a natural curve or a normal curve, then it's
Yeah, it should be.
it's
So I'm gonna
just
put negative 0.385, but that's not the answer. That's just a part of the.
this just the z-score. So how do you figure out the answer?
You put it in the original equation. So you do negative 0.385 times the standard deviation,
which is
0.07. 0.07. And then you add 0.65. So our answer should be 0.623. Is that what you got?
Say it again.
0.623.
That's not what I got. I probably did something wrong. So you just put in the z-score in the normal equation, right?
Yes,
so
but it's going to be the equal sign.
Right. So it's negative 0.385 equals x minus 0.65 over 0.07?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me try it again just to make sure. So you multiply. Oh, negative. That's probably why.
Multiply negative 0.385 times 0.07, and then you add 0.65.
0.63. That's embarrassing.
So Point
just
six
forgot.
2
Yeah, I just forgot the negative sign. That was really dumb of me. Anyway,
Very good.
yeah.
Okay, so the next one is the 80th percentile.
Things.
So point
So I finished your homework.
That's
80.
Yeah, the one, yeah. All right. Well, I'll talk to you later.
Up downstairs.
Okay, love you. Bye.
You can watch me clean up.
Percentile.
Did it highlight the two sides for you?
Let me try it. Did it say 80th percentile?
Yeah.
80. Yeah. And then the z-score is negative 0.842 and positive 0.842.
When did Ian get back?
Wait, you got negative 0.842.
Yeah.
Is he still alive?
Oh my goodness. Mine's wrong. I know that for sure. I just don't know how.
Okay. So you typed in the area 0.8, right? Or 0.80.
Yeah.
And it highlighted both of them, the first two, right?
Yes. But then that changes the area.
Yeah. So it should change the area because it's showing 80% of the bell curve, not just 30% or 35 or whatever we did before.
Oh, I think what I'm doing wrong is not highlighting it first. There we go. Got it.
Okay. So
you have to highlight both of the left sides before you type in your area.
wait, so what did you get for the z-score?
I got 0.842 and negative 0.842.
Okay, good.
So
Okay, so
use the 0.842.
wait, are we supposed to use the negative one or the
The positive.
positive? Okay, yeah. 0.842.
0.842 times 0.07 plus 0.7 is
0.7.
0.709.
Yeah, that's what I got.
709. And that's the last one.
Yep.
Sweet.
It only took us like 45 minutes.
That's
Not
actually
bad.
not bad. We've been taking a lot longer than that.
Yeah.
So
Hours.
okay.
I'm gonna submit it and see what happens.
Okay.
See if we're right. If it loads. Okay. Submit quiz.
That's smart. Yeah.
We got 100%.
Come on.
That's our first one.
All right. Wait a second. I missed one.
Which one?
Number 13. That was dumb. What did I do? What did you put for 13?
I just exited out of the thing.
Oh.
What's the question?
What proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.60? And I put negative 0.714. I missed 14 too.
That's a z-score.
Fetch.
So you look at here. What was the number again?
Negative 0.714 for 13.
714.
Are you supposed to put it into the equation as well?
No, so you're supposed to put that in the applet, and then
Oh.
you're supposed to get your area, which is, you just write this down.
Yeah.
So the first, number 13 is, the answer is 0.238.
Yeah.
I put that for 14. Crap. I might have switched them or something.
What is the second one ask? What does 14 ask?
What proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is more than 0.60?
Which it's more. It is 0.762 is the answer.
I hate it.
You taking it right now?
No, I took it.
What in the world?
And that's it.
Okay.
So what I would do is just record all the ones that you got right, and then just enter those ones in because you get 2 attempts.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll do that.
Nicole, did you have any questions? I can't hear you. You're muted.
Yeah. So like the last two, I couldn't hear the last two because there was like a whole.
Oh. So to do the last two, oh, freak. You put the percentile in the area box.
Mhm.
Actually, before you do that, you highlight the side left of the first line and left of the second line.
Okay.
You highlight those 2 sections, and then you put the percentile on the top,
Mhm.
and then you get your z-score, and then you use the z-score equation to find your x.
I gotta go, but I will submit it once I figure it out. But I'll talk to you guys.
Okay. If you need help, just let me know. Okay.
Thanks.
Thanks,
Okay.
guys.
See you later.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.